Welcome to Review Lab. The best oven liner is probably one of the most essential kitchen accessories for anyone who loves to bake or roast, but dreads the inevitable cleanup that follows. And today we're diving deep into the Fitfabhome 3-pack large non-stick oven liner, a product that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience by making oven maintenance a breeze, ensuring you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Number 5. Amazon Basic Silicone Baking Mat 2-pack. Introducing a set of 2 baking mats designed for effortless baking, roasting, and food preparation. Make your cooking experience simpler and more convenient. Crafted from food-safe silicone, these mats are designed for repeated use. Enjoy a sustainable and safe way to prepare your favorite meals. Experience the convenience of a non-stick surface that releases food easily. You won't need extra oils, sprays, or parchment paper for a perfect bake every time. These flexible mats are oven-safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. For best results, always place them on a baking tray for support, not directly on the oven rack. Cleanup is a breeze with these dishwasher-safe mats. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Each mat measures a generous 16.5 by 11.6 inches, providing ample space for all your baking needs. What we like? This set of baking mats is perfect for those who bake frequently. Its non-stick surface ensures easy food release and cleanup. If you are looking for a convenient and reusable alternative to parchment paper for everyday baking and roasting, these are a great choice. What people say. These liners are a game changer for keeping the oven clean. Food spills and drips wipe right off, making cleanup a breeze. The non-stick surface works exceptionally well. Nothing seems to stick to it, even burnt-on cheese or sauces. It's also durable and has held up through multiple uses without any issues. Number 4. Heavy-duty oven liners, 2-pack. Tired of scrubbing baked-on messes? These oven liners are a must-have accessory. Simply place them at the bottom of your oven to catch spills and drips, making cleanup a breeze. Wipe them clean in seconds for a spotless oven every time. These liners are designed to fit most ovens and appliances. They are a great alternative to traditional oven mats and can be easily trimmed to fit gas stove burners, stovetops, or used as protective pads. Get a custom fit for your needs. Engineered to be thicker than standard liners, these mats are built for durability. They won't curl or melt, even when used as a grill or baking mat. The professional-grade material ensures they will last for years to come. Your family's safety is important. These liners are made from BPA and PFOA-free materials, ensuring no toxic fumes or odors. They are heat-resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making them a safer choice for homes with children and pets. Simplify your kitchen routine with these reusable liners. They are top-rack dishwasher safe, making cleanup even easier. Save money on disposable foil and reduce waste with this eco-friendly solution. What we like? This option is designed for maximum oven protection and durability. Its thicker material and universal fit make it a robust choice for busy kitchens. If you want a reliable liner that catches all messes and is safe for your family, this is the one to consider. What people say. The liners are easy to clean and can be reused multiple times. They fit perfectly in my standard oven and prevent spills from baking. The non-stick surface works very well, making cleanup a breeze. Number 3. Linda's Essentials Silicone Oven Guards, 3-pack. Tired of painful burns from hot oven racks? These guards are a kitchen essential, designed to protect your hands and forearms while you bake or cook. They help reduce accidental burns when you're reaching into the oven. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, these protectors can handle temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. They are flexible, durable, and perfect for everyday use, offering reliable protection against intense heat. Easily customize the length with scissors to fit your oven, toaster oven, or microwave shelves. Each pack includes 3 14-inch protectors that provide a snug, unobtrusive fit. Simply slide them onto the edge of your oven racks for a secure fit. They are also easy to remove for cleaning, either by hand wash or by placing them in the dishwasher. Remember to remove them before using your oven's self-cleaning cycle. From Linda's Essentials, a trusted family-owned brand with millions of satisfied customers. We are committed to creating reliable products that simplify your kitchen tasks and enhance your home. What we like? This product focuses on safety and preventing injuries in the kitchen. It's specifically designed to protect your hands and forearms from hot oven racks. If you often find yourself worried about getting burned when reaching into the oven, these rack guards offer peace of mind. What people say. These liners are a game changer for keeping the oven clean. No more scrubbing burnt-on food. They fit perfectly in my standard oven and are super easy to wipe down after use. Highly recommend for hassle-free baking. I love that they are non-stick, making cleanup a breeze. Just a quick wipe and they're ready to go again. Number 2. Heavy-duty oven liners, 3-pack. Tired of scrubbing your oven floor? These liners protect your oven from spills, drips, and baked-on gunk, keeping it in pristine condition. Say goodbye to tedious oven cleaning. Simply wipe these liners clean or pop them in the dishwasher for effortless maintenance. These liners are more than just oven protectors. Use them as a grill mat, baking mat, or drip pan liner for endless kitchen convenience. Crafted from heavy-duty, heat-resistant material, they can withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, they are BPA and PFOA-free for your peace of mind. Each liner measures 16.25 inches by 23 inches and can be easily cut to size. They provide full coverage for the bottom of most ovens. For ovens with hidden heating elements, place the liner on the lowest rack. For exposed elements, position it directly beneath the heating element on the oven floor. What we like? This liner offers superior coverage and durability for the bottom of your oven. Its extra thickness ensures it can handle frequent use and tough messes. If you're looking for a long-lasting solution to keep your oven floor spotless and want a liner that can also double as a grill mat, this is an excellent option. What people say. The liners are large enough to cover the entire oven bottom, preventing spills and messes from baking. They are non-stick, making cleanup incredibly easy. Food residue wipes right off. The liners are durable and can be reused multiple times, saving money and reducing waste. Number 1. Meegoo Oven Liners, Heavy-Duty Non-Stick Oven Floor Protector. Introducing the Meegoo Oven Liner, designed to keep your oven floor pristine. This set of 2 large, heavy-duty liners offer superior protection against spills and messes. Our liners are perfectly sized for most standard electric and gas ovens. They can also be easily cut to fit any specific dimensions you require, ensuring a seamless fit. Crafted from premium PTFE fiberglass coating, these liners are certified BPA and PFOA-free. They are safe to use and can withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and baked-on spills. These liners act as a barrier, protecting your oven's bottom and helping it maintain a brand new appearance for years. Cleaning up is a breeze. Simply wipe them down with a damp cloth or pop them in the dishwasher. Save time and energy with these reusable, non-stick liners. Placing the liner is straightforward. Position it on the lowest rack or tray. For electric ovens with exposed heating elements, ensure it's placed underneath them for optimal safety and performance. What we like? This liner provides a premium non-stick surface that helps maintain the pristine condition of your oven. Its Teflon coating ensures spills wipe away effortlessly. If you want to keep your oven looking brand new with minimal effort and appreciate a simple installation process, this liner is ideal. What people say. The liners are easy to clean. They fit perfectly in my oven and prevent spills from baking. The non-stick surface works great, making cleanup a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.